In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your PS5 controller stick drift with this simple step. Now, I've done a video before where I showed multiple ways to fix stick drift, but most of the comments have said that this method has helped them. Now, what I've seen is that this might not be a permanent fix. This may just be temporary, but it's something easy that you can do multiple times anytime you're having stick drift. So first is you're going to be taking the analog sticks or the joysticks, and you're going to want to rotate them one direction between 3 to 10 times. What we're doing here is we're trying to maybe remove or move any debris that might be tripping up the sensors on your analog sticks. And then you're going to rotate them in the opposite direction between 3 to 10 times. Oh my goodness, my coordination is terrible. Okay. And then once you've done that, what you're going to want to do is click in on the joysticks. Click in on L3 and R3 for a few seconds. And then you're going to want to do the same thing. While holding them in, you're going to want to rotate those joysticks. 3 to 10 times. Then you're going to want to stop and then go in the opposite direction. Now, another thing you can do is you can try and move these things and then get air into the crevices to try and remove any debris that might be causing those issues. So that is the step that most people have said has fixed their stick drift temporarily. If you're having any other controller issues, you can always go to the back, and then that is the reset button. So you get a little toothpick or something small, and you can press that button and hold for a few seconds to completely reset the controller. So it's as simple as that. Hopefully you found this helpful, and hopefully your stick drift is gone. You can get back to gaming. Thanks everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Please go ahead and like and subscribe and watch any other video we got.